Hello everybody, got my unspeakable hat, got my Team Roar backpack, and if you saw the last video, me and Matthew got these RC cars, and we are on the baseball field right now, and zipping up at Massac, and we are driving them in, like doing donuts, like that. But
oh my god, look at the mud underneath.
Yep.
Matthew.
Okay. Stop.
You know that doesn't work. You have to come over and pick it up and you just spit dirt in my face and all over me. Matthew, you are like so bad at this. He's like hitting my. Let's get it into the grass. Wait. Did you see that wheelie?
Oh.
Whoa, it just did a lot jump.
Cool.
Shout out to what's his name?
Jason
Jason
at Danbury
Hobby.
Hobby.
Store. And this is only on beginner mode.
Oh, your thing. Okay, so your trim tab is all over the place. And this
Yeah, there it is. Getting muddy on our first use. Or second. My daddy. If you don't see the dirt spitting up. Ooh.
Do we have time for me to?
Oh, that's mud.
Why? I thought we weren't doing that.
Go fast charge it, Daddy.
I can't.
Why?
It's just a regular car.
Just a regular charge?
Wow, yours is filthy.
Why can't you fast charge it?
I don't want a fast charge. Regular charge. How long did the regular charge take, Nicholas?
What?
The other
About
night?
like
20 minutes?
An hour. No, like 20 minutes.
The good thing is you could take the top off and put it in the sink.
Oh yeah.
But underneath, yeah, you should
Ooh.
get a paintbrush.
When I start it, it like kicks up dirt like that. Wait, I'm gonna get it up close so then you guys can see it. Oh, whoa, whoa. Get some of the dirt off.
I want a fast charger with the battery.
Ooh, that almost quit.
Well, you played with yours while Nicholas wasn't playing with his.
Oh my
so now
God.
you could just kind of hang out.
That was like the first
I guess it is good to have 2 spare batteries fully charged. If he wants to drive his and
I
only
haven't
got a
bought
couple
them.
minutes. What?
I haven't bought them.
Soon we're gonna get the attachment so then we put the GoPro on the top and then we'll get an action clip.
I should have just bought them. I mean, they're so fast.
Oh! Watch this. It's gonna make a jump.
And Beastie ran
There's
out of
Beast.
battery,
There's Beast right there.
but he did good on his first day, right?
And then I got
He did good on his first day.
We got
Nice and
Crazy
dirty.
Bros. That's not merch. It just says CB, Crazy Bros. Wait, so I'm gonna ride it up and then it's gonna hit the edge of the grass and then fly.
You want to film?
Almost. Ooh, cool. Hit! Ooh!
Can't really see it.
There you can.
It's like a little dot.
There we go.
It's a little dot.
So-
in the water.
Yeah, it's a little dot. Look at how muddy he is. And then the wheelie tires got used. The wheels, because of the grass, they're like ready.
It's like a little dot in the dirt.
Matthew, you better move. No, wait. Oh.
Pretty close.
No, he almost hit you. Right now I'm driving while I'm holding it. You see it, it's right there. Coming past. Checking up on Mr. Beast.
BC! Okay, go jump! Jump! Nicholas, jump so I can get a close up.
A close-up? I feel like you got a pretty close-up. That was high speed. Just flip them. Yeah, there. Get them around me. He's coming to me. He's coming. Oh! Oh my God!
You want to put it on a fast mode or not?
There's Beastie.
You want me to put it on fast mode?
Good.
No, come here. Wait, Daddy, which one is like the medium?
It's the 2 click.
Yeah, Matthew.
What?
He's filming the grass right now. So, Daddy, come here. Okay, so this is the inside. Gotta shut off the remote. Shut it off.
No, keep the remote on.
Keep the remote on. You flip it up. Pop it. Ooh.
Shut it off. Off. Ready?
And 1, 2. There we go. Okay. And in that. And now it is on a faster mode. So now I gotta go.
Oh!
Oh!
That just got dirt in my mouth.
Look. Oh, it
Oh! Go!
Wait, look at the dirt when it. Wait, look at the dirt when it starts. Wait, what the?
Go!
Okay.
Go! Dude! That was amazing.
That is so cool. This makes up Oh! bad, but look.
Check in on Beastie.
Yeah, let's check in on Beastie. My mom right now is going to take a thumbnail. Oh wait, Daddy, can the second mode go in reverse? No, didn't it say?
Put your car sideways, I'll take a picture.
Yeah, the thumbnail.
You only have a few minutes on the battery, I bet.
Go ahead, Matthew, get behind yours. You can take yours off.
I'm gonna pick him up.
Oh, I thought sideways just.
Yeah, sideways.
Yeah, I'm gonna put the remote down like that. Oh yeah, there we go. No, Matthew, like the thumbnail is just gonna be of the two cars.
Oh, it is? Okay. Your shadow.
And then I'm gonna blast off a video of a photo. Yeah,
Can you get with your car so I can picture you guys?
take a picture.
More and smile.
Okay, now blast off. Matthew just sneezed. Grass just spit up in Matthew's face. Look. Oh my God, you have dirt. Oh my God.
Oh,
Do you see that? That's
Beastie's over there. Animals over there. Coming towards us. Oh, you. No dirt. I don't know. Is there dirt? There's dirt.
we're going to save animals.
Animals!
And
Oh
look.
wow, he's dirty.
Oh wow, look at that.
Looks
and
like
look.
chocolate milk.
If
Or
you
like
pick them up,
melted.
the wheels spin so fast that they stretch.
Oh my god.
You see this? Look, they spin so fast that they stretch. I'm pretty sure that you saw that, but
That's cool.
oh wow, there's a lot of mud on the camera.
There is.
Go. Let's flip them over.
And there's Beastie. Oh!
I got grass in my mouth.
I got dirt in my mouth once.
This thing is durable.
Really durable.
Daddy, the wheels? I got a video of the wheels like stretching. Stop. And go. Stop.
Oh, wow.
Matthew, you gotta move.
That was a good one.
Yeah, and the other underneath is like
Dirty.
all that.
Chocolate milk.
Ooh, that's a lot of chocolate milk.
Like melted but
Where's
chocolate.
that bump? There's a bump over there, too, dude.
Where?
Like, you see that?
No, it's not. It's
nice
hot.
green kind
Kumar.
You see, there is a softball right here.
of- Right here.
That's close to the woods though. So if it goes too
You're
fast.
100 feet away. Come on. Right there.
Okay.
That's the bump.
Matthew, hold it right here. I'm gonna get it.
There's animal over there. And
Matthew,
Beastie is sitting over there. ending of turning. Whoa! Oh,
The bottom is mud and chocolate milk.
oh my God! Wow. Come to me.
Daddy, is there like any like hill of dirt or something down there? Can you check out down there?
Listen, you just enjoy it now because your battery, you walk all the way down there and the battery, you only have a minute left.
Oh, dude! Oh, that was a good one. Woo! Dude.
That was. I'm gonna get one more like donut.
Donut? Oh, donut.
Come here. Stop. Stop that. Look at this. Look at the lines. You might not see it, but there's like a line right there. It like needs the grass. This thing could cut grass.
Yeah, I think. Probably. Go to the jump. That wasn't good. Woo.
This thing is not even close.
Wow! Ah!
Animal! That's some muddy dirt.
That's some muddy chocolate milk.
The wheels. So cool.
Oh, that was amazing. Animals. Animals being an animal.
Daddy, look underneath.
Daddy, look underneath.
I saw it.
It's really muddy.
Let me see. Lift it. No, lift it from the front.
Oh, that's some mud. That just cut some grass. And this isn't even full speed. Look, watch. I don't think you saw that, but
I just
There's
made
a lot
tire
of
tracks.
grass.
It's really dark.
no. Why?
Beastie!
Wait, Matthew, look.
Okay, it's not gonna work. No.
Wait, Matthew. What?
You don't want to do that.
Matthew, you have to look at the camera so then you see if it's like, there it is. The Muddy Max. Right there. Okay, Matthew, you actually have to film it.
They can't see it.
Well, you have to look at the camera.
There he is.
Oh, it's dead. Well, I guess he's dead. There we go. So, Mr. Muddy Max is dead. So, Daddy, he's dead. Okay, so we gotta. Okay. Hold this. And I gotta put the hood back on. This is the best RC car ever.
Glad we got these.
Oh yeah, Christmas present. Do this. Oh wow, look at that. That's got a lot of good.
Unspeakable.
Unspeakable.
And Team Roar. Team Roar.
Oh my God, let's put this back on.
To Beastie.
Okay, I guess Matthew's walking away now.
Beastie. Now back to Beastie. Beastie is over there. And Animal's broken over there. Not broken.
Not broken.
He's dead. He died. No, Beastie died. Beastie died. He's very muddy.
So, say bye, Animal and
Beastie.
Beastie. I'm going
And
to
last
sign
one.
off for now.